Which medical technology has greatly improved the survival rates of patients undergoing heart surgery because of damaged valves due to aging? Okay? Dinagdagan ko po ng damaged valves due to aging. Ano ang ginagamit natin? Pacemaker, stethoscope, artificial heart valves, or blood pressure monitors? This is letter C, artificial heart valves. Bago sa paningin ninyo, di ba? Ang alam ko is alam ninyo itong pacemaker, alam niyo na itong stethoscope, alam na din ninyo itong BP monitors. Okay? Itong si artificial heart valve, ito po iyon. Okay? So these are the ones or these are the devices na ginagamit po na para ma-replace yung mga damage na mga valves sa ating heart after surgery para ma-restore yung normal blood flow. So this will help the patients to alleviate symptoms of heart valve disease. Example po ito yung mga stenosis at saka yung regurgitation. Oh, ito yung artificial heart valve natin. Meron tayong dalawa. We have mechanical at saka we have tissue. Okay? You have mechanical at saka tissue. And trivia po tayo, the first artificial heart valve po it was created by Dr. Charles Hofnagel.